everyone, Nancy Allen here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for September 2021. This month we'll take a look at boosting our creativity. In challenged times, we can all use a little more creativity. So I have a question for you. What do you think of when I say creativity? Do you think of art, creating a new recipe, gardening, how to make more money, or stretch the money you have? Well, all of these and more benefit from boosted creativity. But let's break it down to the how we experience creativity. The research of Arne Dietrich, a neuropsychologist and professor of cognitive neuroscience, breaks down creativity into 4 types. Deliberate and cognitive, meaning you sat down to intentionally solve some concern or desire, and an idea popped into your head with an obvious solution. Second type, deliberate and emotional, meaning you sat down to intentionally solve some concern or desire, and you got this strong gut feeling for what you knew was the right thing to do. Number 3, spontaneous and cognitive, meaning you thought about your problem, concern, or desire, and while totally thinking about something else, the solution and all of its procedural steps popped into your head all at once. And number 4, spontaneous and emotional. You thought about your concern or desire and what you wanted to solve, but while thinking about something else, you just felt in your gut that you knew exactly what to do. You became driven. This week, we'll pull a code to give us clarity of vision and freedom from fear in order to boost our creativity. So, here's the request. Is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will release the fear of doing it wrong while opening us up to the quantum of possibilities and allowing us to know which possibility is right for us right now? And the code that came up is from the Anahata Codes. It is the Sphinx. Okay, well, I love the Sphinx, but what the heck does the Sphinx have to do with our request? Let's take a look here. Okay, here we go. Traditionally, the Sphinx is known as the protector, the benevolent guardian. It's also associated with the great mysteries, as well as wisdom. As the guardian to the other side, and its part human, part animal features, it represents the connection between humankind and the gods, or our higher selves. It represents mental doorways that challenge intellect and spiritual doorways to obtaining higher awareness. It's no wonder this code emerged to assist us in connecting with and boosting our creativity. So, are you ready? Let's install the code for the Sphinx. Okay, so it's time to ground. If you know how to ground, go ahead and ground. And if you don't know how to ground, you can put your attention on the base of your spine down by your tailbone and imagine that you're tying a rope or a cord or cable to the base of your spine and drop the other end all the way down to the center of the earth and plug it in securely in the center of the earth. And then back at the base of your spine, I'd like you to create a switch that says release and flip that release switch to the on position. And then put the command, the consideration, the intention into that cord and into that switch, that together they will release everything in your space that is not yours or no longer serves you. Everything that's not yours or no longer serves you is going to get sucked right down the grounding cord and given to the center of the planet. And once you've done that, come on up and be in the center of your head. That's behind your eyes, between your ears. This is a space that we use to work from when we do our energetic work. Center of head. Just kind of be there. Create a space in there that feels comfortable for you. You can put in a couch, a bed, a gaming chair, whatever you like that makes you feel comfortable. You can have candles, you can have lava lamps, you can have whatever you want in there with you. But this is your place of neutrality, the center of your head. And breathe. And just notice if your grounding cord is grounding. You can just ask it, are you grounding? And see what kind of a message or answer you get. And if you don't get an answer, that's okay too. Just intend that it's happening. And now, right-handers, left-handers. We assume a physical position to help us install the codes so that we can learn the signal flow and make it more real for our bodies. So, right-handers, dominant hand, right hand on your heart chakra, center of your chest. Left hand goes in the air like an antenna. That's where the code's going to come in through. Left-handers, switch it. Left hand, center of the chest. Right hand becomes your antenna, up in the air to grab the code. Now for both right-handers and left-handers, when I read off this code, I'm going to read it multiple times. And as I read this code, I'd like you to intend, command that this code come from source into your antenna hand and be delivered into your energetic space through your dominant hand, which is in the center of your chest over your heart chakra. Okay? So the code is coming from source and it's going to come into your space through the heart chakra. Now we already have these codes in our space. We have all these codes in our space. All these frequencies are already here. But what we're doing is we're literally rebooting. We're getting a new download, a fresh install, as it were, to help our version of the code be where it needs to be for what we need to be using it for. So it's going to be in balance for us. Okay? It's very, very specific to us. Okay? So go ahead and assume the position, right hand, left hand. Dominant hand, center of chest. The other hand, antenna hand, in the air like an antenna. And here we go. We ask for, accept, and align with this Anahata code. It's with gratitude we accept the assisting frequency for the Sphinx. 12498326494. 12498326494. 12498326494. 12498326494. 12498326494. 12498326494. One more. 12498326494. And close up the installation by putting both hands on your heart chakra and be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Woo! Wow, that was a strong one. Whew. Well, to better understand what's going on with these codes, I encourage you to watch my presentation, How the Codes Work, right here on YouTube. And please subscribe to this channel. Also, check out my YourEnergyRx.com Code Carriers Facebook group for even more codes. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's code. And remember, there's a code for that. See ya. Bye.